The Book of the Duchess. The Book of the Duchess 1369, also known as the Death of Blanche. द बुक ऑफ द डचेस 1369 में आया, इसको जाना जाता है द डेथ ऑफ ब्लंचेस। ट्रांसलेशन किया है ऑफ द रेमोंट ऑफ द रोज में। दिस बुक वाज रिटन ऑन द डेथ ऑफ डचेस बेंचे। दिस बुक वाज द रिटन ऑन द डेथ ऑफ डचेस ब्लेंचे, हु वाज द वाइफ ऑफ जॉन गाउंट, पैट्रन of Chaucer. She belonged Lancaster. This book is an elegy and allegory in nature. It comprises 1300 lines. In this book, Chaucer used Ottava Rima for the first time. This book of the Duchess begins with a man who cannot sleep. His heavy thoughts and fantasy are so disturbing that he hasn't slept for 8 years. He fears he will die of his insomnia, so he asks a servant to brings him a book to read, which he calls romance, a medieval European genre of literature often about knights and their adventures and romance. He says that it's better to read than to play chess to try to fall asleep. He reads about a fictional kings, Sussex, Sussex who sets for sail for an adventures at sea and is drowned in a storm. The Queen Alecon waits for him to return, and when he doesn't, she grieves inconsolably. She begs she goddess Juno to let her see what happened to her husband. If only in a dream she vows to give her a total devotion to the goddess if she grants her wish. Next point है, the goddess caused Alcuin to fall into a deep sleep and summons Morpheus, the god of sleep, to go find the king on the ocean floor, inhabits his body and make him appears to Alcon in a dream so that she sees that he has drowned. He does so and Alconi die of grief 3 days later. Okay, next point है, the narrator or the speaker of the poem figure that if a god helps Alconi fall asleep and dream, maybe a god would do that same for him. He sends a plea up to the gods that he will reward them with the most luxurious gold paned bedchamber with a bed of the finished down, with covers embroidered with the finished threads of pure gold. If they will help him sleep, he immediately falls asleep and has a vivid dreams. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, फर्स्ट, the narrator hears the birds singing, the sweet symphony he has ever heard. He is lying in a room whose walls have pictures of all the character of the great European epic poem. For the entire story was wrought in the glasswork, thus of Hector and of King Priam, of Achilles, and of Kings Laomedon, and also of Medea and of Jason of Paris, Helen and Lavinia and on all the walls were painted with fine colors. The entire romance of the rose, both text and goals. देखो, Helen and Lavinia, and on all the walls were painted with fine colors. The entire romance of the rose, both text and goals. ठीक है. Some of other works of this period. The ABC, it is written in 8-line stanza. The captain into pity. Chaucer has used first times as 7-line stanza known as the rhyme royal in the work The Complaint of Marx. द कॉम्प्लेंट ऑफ मार्क क्वीन एलिडिया. ठीक है, उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट है इटालियन पीरियड. इटालियन पीरियड इन द 1372 चौसस हैज बीन टू Italy and come in personal contact with Dante, Petrarch, and Boccaccio. The important work of his period are Torrelium and Cressida, the Parliament of Flaws, the House of the Fame, and the Legend of Good Omen. इटालियन पीरियड में. उसके बाद ट्रोलेशिया देखेंगे फिर हम लोग.